I'm on vacation every single day, cause I love my occupation. Hey,
de vacaciones, todos los días me paso en hoteles y aviones. Hey, de vacaciones, todos los días me paso en hoteles y aviones.
hey, I'm on vacation every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day.
Día es de fiesta, de alcohol María en la dieta. Tengo estamina como atleta. Esto es un party de John Z. Todo el mundo anda ruleta. Echa las maletas porque mañana cojo un avión pa' la puñeta. Dame de esos rositas en la receta. Una moñita, esa capeta. Hey, de vacaciones, todos los días me paso en hoteles y aviones.
Hey, I'm on vacation every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day.
Illuminate my future bright, so thankful for everything. Rejuvenating my inner light as I work hard for all I need. Open arms, embracing life and all of which you gave to me. Hard work, it pays off, I'm happy now, it's paying me. Close my eyes sometimes and feel as if I blow away. I love the life I live and enjoy the ride along the way. I'll make a living out of living, yeah, that's what I say. I got one life to live and I wouldn't live in no other way.
De vacaciones, todos los días me paso en hoteles y aviones.
Hey, I'm on vacation every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day. Everybody sour like a lemon tree. I'm just smiling down upon my enemies. Do the shit and love it on a daily. You say you hate your job, but you'll never leave, never leave. That ain't gonna be me, that ain't gonna be me. My brother called me up, said he saw me on TV. I said it wasn't easy, but right now I'm living breezy. Build this engine from the ground up, now my hands, they ain't so greasy, feel me? Daily, daily, get to do the shit I love up on a daily. Every single day, cause I love my occupation.
De vacaciones,
You don't like your life, then you should go and change it.
de vacaciones cogemos Airbnb, villas y mansiones. Mujeres bien borrachas cantando todas las canciones. Conche de alcohol, bien llenos los jarrones.
Every single day, every single day.
No como en Israel, baby.
Every single day, every single day. Hey, GM, everybody, and welcome to this, your daily dose of Web3 morning motivation. We're coming live on YouTube. We're coming live on X. We're coming live on LinkedIn and Facebook. So no matter how you are receiving this message, welcome to the space that aims to entertain you, motivate you, and educate you every single morning. Not every single morning, 3 times per week. As you come in, please make sure that you smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, the retweet button, all the buttons. Because that's how you tell the algorithm that this is the content that you want to push up people's timeline. Because this is the content that brings the vibes, the mojo, and all the energy that you need to get your day started. So, without further ado, let's get this show started. Welcome back. This is your host, Degen. We have a very special show prepared for all of you today. So I hope that you are ready, because we're going to be talking about how the parabola is about to start and Bitcoin is about to melt faces, baby. And we will also cover all the latest news happening in the world of cryptocurrencies. We will also talk about our latest advancements in our decentralized autonomous technology, the Degen Wallet. Now, if you're keen on joining our community and getting access to these cutting-edge technologies before the masses, simply follow the OpenSea link that is in my bio or the description of our YouTube. Why? Because from the outset, our vision has been to empower our community with unmatched financial freedom. We began by minting out our Degen Forest NFT collection back in May 2023. This collection is the only ticket that grants you access to beta test all of our technology before anybody else. It's also the only way you can earn freshly minted Mula tokens as a reward for helping us battle test our technology. We're also about to release our Degen Wallet to the public in just a few weeks now that our Mula token is live and trading on exchanges. But let me tell you something, guys. This is more than just a wallet. This is the pinnacle of a Web3 bank, revolutionizing decentralized finance, Web3, and NFT management, because our mission is to bring decentralized autonomous technologies to the masses, creating a world where everyone can thrive in a safe and secure digital environment. Now, I don't want to move forward without first giving a big shout out to all our reply guys out there, our DJs in the house. Let me know in the chat if you're tuning in, if you're in YouTube, if you are on X, if you are on Facebook, and if you are on LinkedIn. I can see your messages over there. I cannot reply back, but definitely if you are on YouTube or X, I can see your message, I can get the feedback, I can answer your questions, so feel free to drop them in the chat as the show moves along. So big shout out to all our DJs in the house, and remember that if you wanna make some moolah, if you wanna start making some moolah quick, all you have to do is join our Telegram community, because over there is the only place you can earn fresh Mula tokens as a reward for helping us spread the word. If you participate in our raids inside our community, you will be earning a lot of money just by being lazy in your couch. If not, just ask our Degen apes in the house.
I just wanna lay in my bed.
Yeah, that's what they want to do. They just want to lay on their bed, raid on Twitter, raid on YouTube, shield our Mula token to the moon, having some fun and getting rewarded for doing so. So if you are not yet inside our Telegram community, let me tell you something, you're missing out. The link is in the description below or in our bio if you are tuning in from X. And it's the only way you'll be able to farm some of these Mula tokens. So I hope that you guys take advantage out of that. So keep the engagement coming and let's make some magic together. Now, I don't want to move forward without first letting you know what is our true mission here in the forest. You right? We want to create, decentralized autonomous technology. That's great. That's amazing. But the end result is because we just want you to be happy.
Lately, I've been thinking, I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. Lately, I've been thinking, I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier.
That's it. That's all we want here for you. We just want you to be happy. We want you to live a life that is stress-free. That's why here on this channel, we're not riding every swing. Yes, we keep the pulse of the market. We give you the latest news. We keep you up to date, but we're not here to keep you anxious, right? We're not here to keep you guessing about what is going to happen next. If you have been following our latest in the last few weeks, you have been able to witness how I have been able to paint the map and paint the chart to you. And if you have been paying attention, you have seen that exactly everything we have been painting out here on this channel has been playing out as predicted right in front of your eyes. So I hope that you guys are enjoying that, because we're about to get into the news here. And let me tell you something, the parabola is about to start and Bitcoin is about to melt faces. So I hope that you guys are ready for that. If not, tune in, get, sit back, get your cup of coffee and get ready, because I'm about to show you what's going to happen next. Right now we are here. Now I'm going to show you what's about to happen next. So I hope that you are ready for that. So without further ado, let's get into the market. Let's look to see what's happening. What's happening? Well, the market is bouncing back. The total market cap, which I'm going to show you a chart in a minute, is doing amazing things, and we think it's about to go bananas. So the market is reacting to the pump that Bitcoin and Ethereum are having. So we are so happy to see some green back in the chart. We're so happy to see that in the timeline will not be so bearish anymore. It's what happens, guys. It's what happens. You gotta weather the storm. You gotta hold on through the bad days so that you can see the good days come in. So that's the reality of the market. And if you think, what's really going on, well, it's because Bitcoin has just, let me show you these. Let me show you this real quick. Let me pull up the right chart, because I want to show you something that is critical. If you were in our Telegram yesterday, the second this took place, I went into Telegram at, I'm trying to zoom in into the chart because I want to show you this, what just happened. Why Bitcoin is going up. I'm just going to tell you the single one reason why Bitcoin is going up is this one right here. Boom. We got the stock RSI on the weekly chart just crossing up. So the blue line, when the blue line crosses above the yellow line, is momentum time. This is momentum coming into the market. Last time that happened here in this little fake out, we had this little fake out. This is a fake out right here, but nonetheless, even the fake out gave us a massive pump. But if you were to look back, every time the weekly stock RSI crosses, the blue line crosses above the yellow line, we have a massive boom momentum. So we got the cross, boom momentum. It's just that simple. That's how you follow this chart. You got a cross, look at that rally up. Look at that impulsive rally up, big time. We got a cross, impulsive to the top. We got a cross, impulsive to the top. I cannot move that. I should, 1 second. There you go. So, cross, look at the cross right here. Boom, impulsive momentum into the top. So we had a fake out 2 weeks ago, I think it was, like around 2 weeks ago, we had a fake out. So where everybody saw this cross and got extremely bullish, and we saw this rally come in, right? This one. We saw this little rally. Even in that fake out, we had a pump that went to almost challenge the previous all-time highs. So we got the previous dip that we were a couple of weeks ago all crying together in the timeline about. Then we had the weekly stock RSI cross, and then we had a massive momentum come in. But it was a fake out. So now we have just printed what is arguably the real cross, right? So now we have the real cross on the chart, and that just took place yesterday in the afternoon, in the evening. I just went to Telegram and I told you guys right away, because when I saw the signal pop in the chart, I knew right away that momentum is about to come into the chart. So we need to analyze this a little bit further. So I want to get a little bit deeper. So let's go into the 4-hour chart so that we can zoom in a little bit better to see what has really been happening in the last few days on the Bitcoin chart so that you can have a better perspective of what is this market is doing. As I was explaining to you last Monday, we were right here printing this W pattern, which is a very bullish pattern. So last Monday we were right here printing this candle, and as you can see, just as I told you guys, there's the W. I mean, if you don't see the W there, I mean, you need to go back to school, right? And as I told you guys, that we were going to break above this, this zone, and we were going to come back and retest it. So that's exactly what we're doing right now. And if you zoom a little bit better, you can see that in the last, not 4 hours ago, but the previous 4 hour candle came to challenge the 200 EMA. We were not able to, although we did close the body above, we were not able to, we need a full body close above the 200 EMA. So this body closing above, that is a good breakthrough. But what we needed here really is the full body of this candle, not the whole body, to be above the 200 EMA to get a solid confirmation, to get a one candle confirmation. We didn't do that. So what you see happening right now is that we're gonna come down to challenge this zone. We're now challenging this area, having a little retest. So we hope that over the next day or two, we're gonna come and we need to break this 200 EMA, and we need to remain above it. So that is what everybody is waiting for to happen, for Bitcoin to get back above into the value zone, right? So if you look at this on the daily, you can see that we are right here in the daily. You can see that we went through in a big week, but the bears are keeping the control right now. This daily candle, it has not closed yet, so we have the full day ahead of us. But if we can close this candle above the 200 EMA, that will be great. So far, at the moment of me coming live, it looks like the bear are in control momentarily. So we will see if we're gonna come a little bit down, maybe retest this up trend line here, right? You see the ascending triangle here, right? And maybe we come here and then maybe we break it somewhere around here. So we're gonna keep our eyes very close, all eyes on the chart, all eyes on Bitcoin. All we know is that this is the move that is going to take us into the parabola zone. I don't know if it's going to be today, I don't know if it's going to be tomorrow or by the end of this week, but all that we know is that over the next following weeks, we're talking 3 to 4 weeks, guys, right? Keep this, maybe 5. I can be off by 1 week. I can be off even by 2 weeks, right? Maybe 6 weeks. But all we know is that within the next 3 to 4 weeks, more than likely, we will see Bitcoin not only get above the 200 level, we're gonna see Bitcoin actually go challenge new all-time highs. And when the new all-time high comes, that's when the fun really begins here in the Moolah ecosystem, because when the all-time high comes, that's when Moolah will just start raining off the sky, baby, and falling all over your wallets, because that's when we will have officially entered the Parabola zone, and that's when we are planning to reward all our community members and deploy several of the plans that we have here for the project. So we're excited. We're just a couple of weeks away. Today, every single token that was on pending withdrawal has already been distributed. The JITs will be out. We'll be talking a little bit about that after we're done with the news, but everything is going as planned. So I hope that you guys are really excited, just as I am excited. But moving on with the news, we need to see then, what's really happening, right? What's really going on? So we need to see that Powell came out yesterday. I don't know if you guys remember, but on Monday we told you that we had like 9 Fed events. There are many things happening this week. So Powell testified in front of the Senate yesterday. Very boring meeting, but nonetheless, we did get some good nuggets of information And one of them is that the Fair Share Powell says that holding rates high for too long could jeopardize economic growth. So this is a clear signal that they're looking to cut rates. We don't know when. I am speculating on September. A lot of people think that it's going to be November, but it's too close to the election. In my opinion, they need to do it on September to give the market a good 2 months, right? Maybe even in October they cut again, 2 cuts, who knows? But they need to give Biden a fighting chance. And Biden right now have 0 chance. So they need to pump the market up big time to make people feel good about going and voting for Biden again. If you think that the Fed is not political, if you think that Powell is not a political head, you are mistaken, my friend. I am telling you that they're going to do this, so don't get caught with your pants down. They're going to cut rates. My guess is going to be September, because they need to keep that appearance of neutrality, right? So if they do it on November, a lot of people say, oh, they're gonna cut rates on November, too close. Too close to the election. They need 2 months so that the market can react and pump big time, giving Biden a fighting chance. Right now, he doesn't even have a fighting chance, right? That's why there's a civil war in the party, and they're even looking for a new candidate, although that he's still, talking to power. He doesn't want to leave. Biden doesn't want to leave. It's like, if you let me go, they're going to throw me in jail because I am a criminal. Yeah. Now you're too old. Remember, the special counsel said that you're too old and, you're not prosecutable. You're such an elder guy that we cannot even prosecute you for your crimes. So retire. Anyways, enough about politics, but that's exactly what's going on. And Powell, in my opinion, will be cutting rates very soon. And we have the eyes on that. We think it's going to be September, guys. Call me a bull, call me an optimistic, but if they want to play things the way they're going to play them, is going to be on September. The strongest reasons for being bearish on crypto are literally behind us, guys. Empty guts and the German government for the longest times have been one of those big overheads that have been inciting fear, fear, uncertainty, and doubt into the market. The reality is we are no longer going to have that overhead. We are no longer have those ghosts of the past or skeletons of the past haunting us. So I think that we can now move forward with a much bullish scenario, because we got rate cuts coming up in September or maybe November, who knows. We got the Ethereum ETF getting approved in just a few weeks, and if you want to know when we want to list our Mula token in our next exchange, I know that many of you have been wondering, okay, when will be the next Mula token exchange listing? All I can tell you is this: just keep an eye on the market, because we're gonna shoot for right around the Ethereum ETF approval. I cannot promise it's going to be on the exact same day. It might be a couple days earlier. It might be a couple days later, right? Maybe more into the later side, maybe, because I see this ETF be moving very fast, right? These approvals are coming hot. The S1s were submitted yesterday, and these approvals are coming in hot. We want to be listed on the next exchange, hopefully, around that time. We're gonna do our best. I cannot promise anything, because since we lost our spot in the exchange, it may take even 3 to 4 weeks to be able to find a spot, but we are working with them. We're gonna see what we can do, but nonetheless, the Ethereum ETF are upon us, and the market is about to go bananas once this happens. The Bitcoin ETF inflows continue to remain bullish because BlackRock is buying the dip. I don't know if you have been keeping an eye on BlackRock's wallets. I have, and what I see there is just bullish, very much. They continue zero outflows, and then you continue every time they get a chance, they buy the dip, and that's exactly what we want to see. FTX is also distributing out $16 billion worth of scam coin. The tokens that they almost stole from people. They're trying to pay back retributions. So, and they're gonna do that in USD. So that means $16 billion of fresh capital is coming into the market. And where do you think this capital is gonna go? Do you think that these $16 billion are going to remain on cash? I doubt it, because cash is going down. The Dixie is breaking down, actually. I was looking at the Dixie earlier, and it's going down. So be ready, because we're about to have a Bitcoin rally. All the indicators are telling me so. But if the dollar is going down and you get fresh money, somebody sends you a bunch of money, are you gonna really keep it on cash, or are you gonna, you maybe take some profit, right? Pay some bills. But the reality is that you're not gonna put that money on a savings account, right? And if you're not buying gold and you're not buying silver, and you are a crypto head because that's why you were on FTX on the first place, well, chances are that you will put that money back into the market. Maybe not on Bitcoin. Maybe now all those guys will come directly into Ethereum. Who knows? Who knows? But that is exactly what I think is going to happen. We got $16 billion getting fresh into the market, and that money will find a home. And I hope that some of that flows right into our Mula token, the best base chain token of this cycle, with a sustainable business model and a clear path to revenue. If you don't have a Mula bag yet, let me tell you something. You are about to miss out. Don't miss out. Don't miss out. So, moving on with the news, let's see at this beautiful chart that our good old friend Wrecked Capital has prepared for us, telling us exactly where we are in the market. This is the bull market progress, and you can see how every blue line represents a halving, and you can see that after the 2016 halving, this took place. After the 2020 halving, this took place. And after the 2024 halving, what do you think is about to happen? It's right in front of you. It's right in front of your eyes. Open your eyes and look at what's going on, and you will know that Bitcoin is about to melt faces, and that's for sure. So Bitcoin only, Ethereum is about to make you call your grandma and tell her, I love you. Thank you for that Christmas gift that I was able to put on, that I went all in on Ethereum. Oh yeah, you're gonna be running naked down the street when this actually plays out. You don't believe me? Then you have never been here before. Oh yes, I will be running naked down the street once all these things play out. And all we have to do really in this market is just follow the whales. Follow the whales, guys. While you were paper handing your bags, while you were running for cover, look at what the whales were doing. The whales were accumulating over 47,000 Bitcoin at an average price of $57,000. So that means that the whales were just gobbling up all the Bitcoin that came off the paper hands of retail, unsuspected individuals who have never been here and don't really understand how these cycles move. But the whales, they are whales for a reason. They understand how the market moves, and they know when to buy and when to sell. And the chart is telling us that they saw the $57 mark as a fair value for them to come in. So they knew, okay, this is not gonna keep coming down, so this is the time for us to buy. So now we have a new fair value line that is sitting above that $56,000-$57,000 range, giving us a solid, new level of confidence. So for Bitcoin to set a price floor from which it can then move to the next, price discovery zone, because the next move will effectively break the all-time highs. We're gonna break all-time highs here very soon, so I hope that you're get ready for that, because once we enter the price discovery zone, ho ho ho, ho ho ho. Oh, you don't believe me? Well, I got another chart for you, because the total market cap is telling you something very important. We have been on this blue line of accumulation. So here is the pattern, right? Here's the bullish pattern, right? So you got the blue line accumulation, then you got the deviation, which is the shaking out all the weak hands, shaking out all the paper hands, and then we got the expansion. So accumulation, this is the price. Blue line accumulation, moving in the range. We spoke about this range a couple weeks ago. Then we got the deviation and on the demand. Look at the demand side right here, boom. And then what do you think is going to happen next? Look at the facts in the chart. Look, it's right in front of you. Do you see it? Do you see it? I hope you do. I really hope you see what is about to happen. Because if you have been here following us for a while, you are ready. If you're not, then this is your learning lesson, right? If you are, I hope you're not selling today. Selling right now is one of the worst mistakes you can make, guys, right? So I really hope nobody is selling today, right? Because I estimate that the Ethereum ETF is going to get approved, and Ethereum is going to lead this rally. It's going to be Ethereum the one that leads us out of this rally, right? And you want to keep a close eye on that, because everybody's looking at Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin going to do? And I think that this right here will be the surprise. Right here. This will be the surprise. Every S1, everything is ready to go. We're close to the finish line. And once the Ethereum ETF gets approved, we may see a decoupling, a momentary decoupling of Ethereum from Bitcoin, and then you may see Ethereum lead the charge for a couple weeks, and then it's like a magnet. It's gonna bring Bitcoin up, and don't even be surprised that magnet is so strong that forces Bitcoin to break the all-time high and enter that price discovery zone. So we're looking at this event right here at a very possible catalyst event. We are also looking at July 25th to the 27th. Why? Because during July 25th to the 27th, we have the Bitcoin conference coming up to Nashville. I hope to see you guys all right here. Welcome to my beautiful city. And this year we are the host of the biggest Bitcoin conference on planet Earth, and I hope to see you guys all come and have some fun here in Nashville. Come, I know all the hot spots, so reach out. And during that event, there is a big possibility that Trump is going to talk. And if Trump talks in that event, more than likely he will unveil, think about this, he will unveil his Bitcoin and cryptocurrency plans for the new administration. You need to understand something. During the last cycle, it was this very crypto conference, the Bitcoin conference, was one of the biggest catalysts for the Parabola phase. Why? Because during the Bitcoin conference, which took place in Miami, and this year is being moved to Nashville, a much better location. Wait until you see it. But during the Bitcoin conference on Miami, we had Nayib Bukele, the president of El Salvador, come out and announcing that they were going to adopt Bitcoin as a legal tender. And that announcement alone became the catalyst of what was that Parabola phase, right? The volcano mining and all the craziness that came out of that. So on July 25th to the 27th here on Nashville, we have the biggest Bitcoin conference once again on a halving year, and this time is not the president of El Salvador who is expected to show up. It's the president of the United States, baby, who is expected to show up at that conference. What do you think is going to happen to the price of Bitcoin if Trump shows up and unveils his crypto plans for the next administration? Get ready. Oh, get ready. Because we're about to go crazy. I've been here. I've been warning you. I hope you are ready, and I hope you're not selling anything right now, because if you're selling right now, you're shooting yourself in the foot, and that's a fact. I'm just here to spill the beans, all right? I'm just here to spill the beans. I'm going to show you one last chart, just one last chart that's going to show you then what will altcoins do. What? Because, okay, I already show you what Bitcoin is going to do, but you may have a bag on Pepe, right? You may have a Doge, right? What are altcoins, right? You may have a Mola bag, right? So what are altcoins going to do? You want to know, you want to know. So we got a chart right here that shows what altcoins are about to do. So look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. So we are right here, we're right here. So what do you think is going to happen after this? After this, what comes? We're gonna melt faces, guys. This is all the altcoins. We are going to go crazy, and I hope you are all ready. I'm gonna keep warning you in the upcoming shows until this happens, because once it happens, it's done. Your opportunity will be gone. If you are not yet in the market, you have one last chance, maybe today, tomorrow, this week, to position yourself. And of course, make sure you get some mola, because we're about to go bananas. We're about to go crazy once our token burns begin, once we release our public wallet launch, once we release our iOS version, and all the stuff that I have not even tell you guys yet. So I hope you guys get a bag. I mean, get something. It's not gonna hurt. It's not gonna hurt. Believe me when I tell you, it's not gonna hurt you. Okay? If you're cheating right now, well, you're gonna get wrecked. If you're selling any coin, I don't care what bag do you have, selling anything right now, woo, I don't know what to tell you. So let's move on to see the memes of the day. All right, since our last show, we got a couple memes in the house, so we're gonna go through some of them, because we love to enjoy the memes, right? So here we got the average crypto holder. Here's our average crypto holder. This is what it means to truly hodl some crypto. So if you're not ready to face the dangers of the wilderness of the crypto forest, don't even try, bro. Don't even try, bro. Of course, as always, every time we got a 3% rebound, you know that
We are back, baby.
we're back, baby.
We are fucking back. We're back.
Woo! We're back.
We are back.
Let's
we are
go.
back. We are back, baby. We are fucking back.
We're back. I don't know if you feel it.
We are
I don't know if you feel it.
back. We are back.
We're back.
We are back, baby.
We're back, baby. We are back. If you're a cheat, if you're a hater, you're trying to kill our Mula token, good luck, because, you know, how do you kill something that was dead already? Be my guest. You can try. You can try. Go ahead. Go try. Feel free to try kill this chart. I'll love you for you to try. I will love for you to try. At the end of the day, we're executing on a strategy here. Step by step, perfectly executed strategy. Learn how to read between the lines and learn how to follow everything, because we're transparent. In Telegram, we're telling you everything we're doing before it even happens. So if you are paper handing our Mula token, I don't know what to say, man. I don't know what to say. You're just not being paying attention. You're just not paying attention. So what can I say? What can I say? Now, the reality of the market is this, guys. Every time you sell any crypto token, that's why you cannot sell on times like this. Because this is right here. This right here is what that token will do. the moment you sell. So the moment you hit that sell button, right? The moment you hit that sell button, look, this is what it does. It just go crazy. Look. Oh, but wait, I just sold this. I just sold it. What happened? Don't allow the market to play games on you. Don't let the market cut you with your pants down, bro. Don't let the market play games on you. Have fun. Buy bottoms, sell tops. Have some fun in the middle. If you are looking at every swing trade, if you're looking to, I don't know what to say. I honestly do not know what to tell you. I mean, do we got some more? This is the people who have BTC but never post anything right there. The people who have Bitcoin but never post anything right there. They're quietly gobbling everything up from the back, right? This is your POV. If you held through the dips, when you manage to huddle your bags, this is the life that awaits in front of you. But I mean, you gotta huddle. You gotta huddle if you otherwise you will end up like this. You will go from this. If you huddle, this is what awaits. If you paper hand, well, I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry, man. Enough. That's enough. Too much memes, too much forms. Let me tell you something. I cannot show any office memes. Our live from last Monday got blocked on YouTube because I show you that empty Gox meme that was a scene from The Office. Literally, the video at the beginning of the show, not a problem. Eminem speaking at the end, singing at the end, not an issue. Post showing a meme of an office scene, not cool. They literally blocked that video out. I don't know. So now I'm being careful. I don't want any video to show up. I don't want anything to show up that shouldn't be there. If you don't know yet what we are about, then let me tell you, man, you're missing out, because we are the Degen Forest and we have created two amazing products. These products is the Degen Wallet and the Degen Vault, and they generate revenue that then is used to buy back our Mula tokens and burn them. So that is why I was telling you earlier that if you sell your Mula tokens now, you're making a big mistake, because selling your tokens before the token burns begin is just, what are you doing? Do you even understand our business model, bro? Do you even know what are we doing here? But if you do, if you know what we're doing, then you have peace of mind, because you know that very soon we're gonna start burning a bunch of this Mula token, and that chart is going to start coming up. Big shout out to our APAC representative AJ. He's doing amazing stuff over there in South Korea. He helped us bring a lot of those whales that got in the pre-sale. So thank you, AJ, for all the hard work you are putting in. And thank you for all the other stuff that I know you are working on, my man. So I wanted to show you guys, the price right now. We got a couple yips, right, on the token, of course. We got withdrawals. If you had your tokens inside the P2B exchange, you can go withdraw them right now. The first pretty much 99% of all the tokens were processed this morning. So it looks like everybody already got their tokens. So there are no more tokens. We got an airdrop coming, but that's after Bitcoin is on price discovery. And there's a lot of other things that will happen between now and then. And the price of this token should be already in a whole new level by the time that happens. So if you were not able to get a bag during the pre-sale, don't think that waiting to the airdrop is gonna allow you to score a cheaper price. It's not gonna happen. You may wait for the yips right now. Maybe during today, tomorrow, maybe we get some more sell pressure. I don't know. I know that all those who purchase the Big Fun group are not selling. So I don't know who's gonna be selling, but I know It's not everybody we have been in close contact with. Anyways, so if you think that you're gonna wait for the airdrop to then come and score a bag at a cheaper price, it's not gonna happen. I'm biased. I could be wrong. I could be 100% wrong. But if you ask me, it's not gonna happen because we're executing everything here according to strategy, and we have no issues on moving the dates. We need to see that price in a proper place before we can start unleashing the airdrops and all of that good stuff. So I hope that you guys understand what I'm trying to explain here and don't get caught with your pants down selling this bag too soon. If you sell this bag too soon, you're gonna get wrecked. You are going to get wrecked. I don't know how else can I explain this to you. I've been trying to tell you for weeks now. I've been trying to warn you, live stream after live stream after live stream. This is our model, guys. I've been explaining. This is the wallet. The wallet works. The wallet is right here. The wallet works. Wallet is amazing. We got cold wallet. We got hot wallet. Everything. We got several demos in our channel that will show you this wallet working beautifully. So we got NFTs. You can sell your NFTs right from the wallet. Right here. Look. It's an Open Pepe, a Cypher Nico right here. Look. And they're going to come up here in a second. Right there, boom. That one already came up. I can. It's too bright. Let me put it that way. Maybe on this camera. Right here. Maybe you see it better there. You can sell the NFT if I get closer. I mean, the technology is ready. We're gonna do the public launch in about 2 to 3 months. 2 to 3 months. Because we need to be on the Parabola zone first. Airdrops, many things. Then we're gonna kickstart our referral program for the wallet. We're gonna kickstart our referral program for the wallet when we do the public launch. I hope you're ready. I hope you guys are ready because we're about to go crazy and everything we are doing here is with intent and purpose. And we're executing on a beautiful plan that we are sure is going to take us hopefully to the moon or beyond, and capture as much a nice user base inside our wallet during this cycle that will move us into the next cycle with a strong user base, generating revenue during the bull and during the bear, going both ways. So I hope that you guys can appreciate that. Now, with all of that said, I want to move into Q&As. I want to answer all your questions. So before I do that, I just have one simple question for everybody in attendance today.
Can I be your friend?
That's right. Smash that like button, smash the subscribe button because that's the only way you can make sure that you help us spread the word out. But also, you got to stay notified. You got to stay on top of your game. And here in the Degen Forest, we're trying to help you stay on top, keep the pulse of that market one day at the time. So if you have any questions, drop them in the chat box. Right now, I'm gonna be scrolling up a little bit here. I see you. What's going on, Joseph? What's going on, Andre? What's going on, the tech guy? What's happening? Everybody's in the house happy. What's up, Sammy? No worries, no reasons to get sweaty. Yeets will get wrecked, says Top Boy. What's going on, everybody? Let me see if we don't have any questions. If not, we're gonna get out of here. Good morning, my man. Thank you so much for showing up. If anybody has any questions, I'm gonna wait. There's like a 30 seconds delay. But if not, we're just gonna get out of here because we have a busy day ahead of us today. Many things that we have to get straightened out now that the tokens are in the hands of all the pre-sale buyers. we will move with the next exchange listing. So we're gonna shoot for around the Ethereum ETF approval because we wanna get, hop on that momentum, right? So that is, we're gonna eye those dates. So it might be by the end of next week, beginning of the following. Give me at least 1 week wiggle room. It can take even 2 or 3 weeks to get in. The exchange we're going to go is a bigger, much bigger exchange with a lot of people. Believe me when I tell you this. You know this exchange. Believe me when I tell you this. More than likely, you have an account already in that exchange. It's a very popular exchange in the industry. So that for that reason, it's also, we gotta get accommodated on their listing schedule. So we're in conversations with them trying to get in. We got a question coming. Is the snapshot of holders Degen apes already taken? No. The snapshot for the NFT airdrop will be taken a couple days prior to the airdrop. I'll let you guys know on Telegram. Snapshot taken. I'll give a hint, but we're still weeks away. We're still, until you see, once you see Bitcoin hit an all-time high, I will be looking to do a snapshot. So that will be a good barometer for you, a good needle. I'm not going to do anything until Bitcoin is on price discovery. We have to wait for the king to move, then we move. We cannot move before the king. Nobody's gonna join if we do that. We need to wait for the king to move because the king moving changes the sentiment of everybody. Then we move and capture the value coming in. I hope that you follow the strategy. So once Bitcoin hits an all-time high, after that, maybe that week or the following week, I'll be looking to do a snapshot because we will be effectively getting ready to do the airdrop, do the public wallet token launch, kickstart our official marketing campaigns, deploy more liquidity into the pools, and many other things that we have planned. But we gotta wait for the JITs to get out. So right now, we're not doing anything. Right now, we're just keeping things as is, waiting for everybody who is not paying attention, waiting for everybody who doesn't understand our business model and who is just a paper hand to exit. And then we're gonna do everything else. But great question. So the snapshot of the NFT will be taken after Bitcoin hits an all-time high. This camera is messing with me today. Look, it doesn't wanna do what I tell it to do. So there's that. Great question. Thank you, Shoutouts. I'm always having such a bad time with your name. Shoutouts. Shoutouts. I don't know how to say it, man. I apologize. So Maestro says the Yeats will regret it soon. They're just not paying attention, bro. That's the problem with Yeats. I know that everybody who's paying attention, they're a diamond hand because they understand the business model. They know that we have a clear path to revenue, a sustainable business model, ready to rock for this cycle. We're ready to make income this cycle. Tell me, point to me, any other project who has a business model that is ready to capture real revenues this cycle, not next or the next one, this one. Show me one. I'll wait. Until then, we're gonna keep hustling. We're gonna keep grinding. We're gonna keep making things happen for our community. So thank you everybody who continues to join show after show, day after day, every day on Telegram, helping us raise, helping us spread the word. Big things are gonna happen. When is the ETF approval? Probably July 18, 8 days from now. Next week is where everybody has their bets on, right? All the bets are for what? July 18. It could be this week, bro. It could be by Friday, or it could be somewhere next week. Or it can be even a week after. We don't know, but we are just waiting on that. But at the end of the day, we are at the mercy of the next exchange, right? So we're gonna talk with them. We're gonna see if we can pick a date that is hopefully, you know, the 19, the 20, the 21, right? Around-ish. If they're, I'm pretty sure they're gonna be full. I'm gonna try. If we cannot do it that week, then we're gonna shoot for the following week, right? So, but believe me, before this month ends, we are already on a new exchange, all right? So we're shooting for that. We're shooting for that. That is definitely something we wanna do. We'll bring a whole new push. Yes, Joseph, the Ethereum ETF approval will bring a whole, actually, I believe that it will make Ethereum decouple from Bitcoin for a short amount of time, and it will allow Ethereum to lead the rally out of this danger zone. So don't be surprised if Ethereum is the one leading the charge out of this danger zone over the next couple of weeks. We're about to look. We're about to watch everything unfold. Just know that I am here every day. Every day my eyes are on the charts, on the news, on everything that is happening. Every day I am letting you know on Telegram if anything changes from our side. But so far, we're just waiting for the king to move, and then we move, and then is when things are going to get crazy here at the Degen Forest. So thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in and showing up every single Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I will see you all next Friday around the same time, sometimes a little bit earlier. Like today, we came a little bit earlier. We got a busy day ahead of us, and if I am honest, I hardly slept last night. I've been working pretty much non-stop trying to get all of your guys' tokens transactions processed. I've been fighting with the exchange in the back. If you have been in Telegram, you know all about it, right? So thank you for all the support through all of that, and I apologize with everybody who faced an inconvenience. We definitely did choose the wrong exchange to do our pre-sale, but nonetheless, we're past that. We were able to sell out, and we were able to put the tokens on the hands of everybody who purchased and believed in us. So thank you so much. I will see you all next Friday. Until then, just remember that it's not about the games, it's about the freedom.
Coming up, bad news for savers, as even those with high-interest savings accounts are seeing their money disappear thanks to inflation. But first, we'll detail every possible thing you could die from. He's a rational investor, dividend digester, saves some of his paycheck just like all his ancestors. Him looking for high yields? That's never the case. He's seeking 6% returns. Slow and steady wins the race. But when he checks his accounts just to see what they're fielding, it's like driving in Maryland. Ain't nobody yielding. What is he to do? He shouldn't be in a drought. So he visits his advisor just to sort it all out. Inflation's higher than your bond rate. That's what I was fearing. So your savings account is slowly disappearing and your CDs are pointless. That's not very funny. What would you like me to do? Put it all in dog money. Dog money, dog money, dog money, dog money. I'm trading it in for dog money, dog money, dog money, dog money, dog money. I'm putting it all in dog money. My 401k is now a 401k9. The sum of my net worth ain't no longer in a straight line. I'm making smart moves. I ain't gonna be a pun. I sold my IRA and bought an NFT of one. All in on Doge, I dish them out like a Tommy gun. You think I was statehood the way I'm passing on Washington? I feel like Matt Gates, you know what I mean? Assuring everybody it's above 18. It's a modern day gold rush. The prices will boom like Reggie White versus the Oilers. I'm headed straight to the moon. My broker's calling, you know that it's on. Buy dog money, don't stop till it's dawn. 1 more airbase, 2 more museums, 3 more walls, 4 more Supremes, 5 more stadiums. We're all out of fiat. Can you take trillions of these and go and make a Xerox? We pay our debts in our currency that might be unfurled if it's no longer the reserve currency of the world. Confidence in the dollar is permanent. Just ask any scholar. People are exchanging their dollars for dog money. Dog money? Dog money. Dog money. We trading it in for dog money. Dog money. Dog money. Dog